There is a time to be great. Kagaya ko. Presidente ako ngayon. I do not know why. But there will always be a time that I will be nobody. And that is sure to come. And maybe to die thereafter. There is always a time for plenty. But there is always a time for want. There is always time to be merry, happy, and a time to be sad. A time to be healthy, strong, kung bata ka pa. But sure as the sun will rise in the east, we will get old and get weak and sick. There's a time to feast, but there's time to want. A time to be spending, may pera ka, but sometimes may problema. And a time for war, and a time for peace. And a time to be born, and a time to die.